Hey guys, today we are comparing the Spigen Lock Fit versus the Pelican Magsafe wallet. Although these wallets look very similar, one is better than the other. But which one? Let's find out. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please consider subscribing if you're into tech reviews and tutorials. I've already done a detailed review of the Spigen Lock Fit, so I'm not going to go too in-depth into this wallet. If you're interested, open the playlist in the description below. Just to highlight some of the key features here, this wallet is a foldable design. It is MagSafe and it will stay on to the back of your iPhone. It holds 4 cards on this side and 2 cards here on the left-hand side with cash. It has a nice locking mechanism, so you can close it, lock it, and now this thing will not open. In the past few months, I've been using this wallet a lot, and unfortunately I did drop it and I ended up breaking the latch here. It still closes, but the locking mechanism no longer works. So I'm going to be putting in a warranty claim and see if they can replace this wallet or fix it. But the newcomer today is this Pelican Magsafe wallet. We know the brand Pelican, you know they make awesome storage solutions that is heavy duty, including protective cases for phones, your camera equipment, and also of course, now wallet. The Pelican Magsafe wallet comes in 2 different versions. This is the cheaper version, which does not have RFID blocker. The more expensive version, around $60 I believe, that one has RFID blocking. I'm too cheap, so therefore I bought the cheapest one. It uses a latch design, so you kind of have to dig your nail in here and open it up and boom, money's not included. On the right hand side, you can hold 4 cards, and on the left hand side, you can use this to hold cash. Unfortunately, due to the width of this retainer, you cannot hold cards in here. It's just not wide enough. Comfortably fit 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, and my petty card. And once you load up 4 cards, it's stable, it won't go anywhere. In my opinion, 4 cards is a magic number. You can hold your ID card, your debit card, and 2 credit cards if needed, or replace 1 credit card with a Costco card. Boom, you're ready to go. On the back, you can see this magnetic ring. It is fully compatible with all MagSafe phones and cases, and it sticks on it very, very well. The magnet is nice and strong, and this is not going anywhere. The grippiness, I give it like a 3 out of 10. The plastic is a little bit too slippery for my taste. I wish they add a little bit rubbery grip or some sort of texture to enhance the user experience and the ergonomics. But how does this compare to the Spigen Lock Fit? Current pricing is listed as below: $31.99, $32.49. Amazon. If you're interested in any of these wallets, please use my affiliate link to support my channel. Really appreciate you guys. In terms of capacity, Spigen Lock Fit wins. You hold 4 cards here comfortably, and you can hold additional 2 to 3 cards depending on how thick those cards are, and you can carry cash here. Versus the Pelican is a little bit too narrow and can only hold cash. The second thing I like about the Spigen wallet more is the fact that it has this little notch in here. That allows you to just hold 1 card in place, and it stays in your wallet. You don't need to max out the capacity to keep the cards in place. The Pelican wallet does not have the stopper here. So as you can see, and just put a card in here, if you tilt it upside down, the card will fly right out. Also on the Spigen, it has this nice felt material that helps your card slide in and out easier. The Pelican, it's just smooth plastic, but you can see the attention to detail on the Spigen is just nicer. The Pelican, yeah, I mean, you can slide it out easier, but it will also slide out thanks to gravity. All right, let's talk about user experience and rapid deployment of payment. This is a very tactical looking wallet. It's a tactical brand, but when it comes to paying, you are probably gonna be last in line because the user experience is not the greatest. I have 4 cards stuffed in here. I need to get the 3rd card to pay. Take out 1 card, 2 card, and then the 3rd card to pay. Boom, I'm done paying. Another way you can do this is just stick your fingernails in and grab all the cards and then just like find the right one and pay. But like I said, with 4 cards, it's a little bit tight and a little bit slow when it comes to payment, which may not be a bad thing if you're trying to fight for the bill. Hey man, slower could be better. All right, let's check out the same experience on Spigen. So you open up your wallet, boom, you need the 3rd card. How are you gonna do this? Well, you can dig your finger in, grab the 3rd card right away. The Spigen is faster when it comes to taking your cards out and easier to put them back in because you don't have to worry about the card sliding out when it's not at full capacity. At the end of the day, which wallet do I prefer? I will definitely pick the Spigen still, because I like the attention to detail. I like the felt backing. I like the user experience when it comes to taking out your card. And I also love the fact that it can hold more cards. It can hold 6 cards total plus cash. And the fact that it has a rubber backing. Versus the Pelican, it's a much simpler design. It is slightly thinner and narrower, but you miss out on the card space over here, which limits your usage, and the user experience of taking out your card is a little bit more cumbersome compared to the Spigen. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Let's go, Spigen. Keep up the great work.